Hi guys, this is my workout plan system. So first we have to register. At the register and login system, just press the button register and it will proceed to the login system. Just enter username, email address, create password and confirm password. Fill out those things and press the register button and it will show the dashboard. In the dashboard, it will show the profile, the steps, calories, minutes, and workout of the day. Just press the button start workout and it will show the workout detail. The workout detail, it will show the workout name, exercise of the day in a week, and just press the button start workout and it will show the progress tracking or the history. So in this part, it will show the step taken, calories burned, total minutes every week. And if we want to show the profile, just enter or press the back button and it will go back to the dashboard, and just press the button profile and it will show the profile. In the profile, it will show the activity history or the progress tracking, set goals, settings, and log out. Just press the log out button if you want to log out and it will go back to the beginning or to the login system, and that's it. Thank you.